Good day. I am Bernard Joshua E. Prihiliano from Pacific University, Tayug Campus, under a Bachelor of Science in Criminology, BS Crim 1A. Today, I will be talking about compassion, how it's expressed through caring for other people and the environment, and the role of communal discernment in making our university and the world of a more compassionate place. Compassion is a word that we often hear in our daily lives. But many people do not stop to think deeply about what it really means. For me, compassion is much more than simply feeling sorry for someone who is experiencing difficulties. Compassion means to recognize the pain, struggle, needs, or challenges of another person and choosing to respond with kindness, understanding, and action. In other words, compassion is not passive, it's, it is active. It pushes us to do something when we see someone who is hurting. Compassion encourages us to help when we notice someone who feels alone. Compassion encourages us to reach out when we become aware injustice or suffering. Compassion inspires to take passive action. Many people can recognize when someone is having a difficult times, but not everyone chooses to respond. Compassion is what transforms awareness into action. It is a bridge between seeing a problem and becoming a part of solution. I believe compassion begins with empathy. Empathy is ability to understand how another person feels. It allows us to place ourselves in another person situation and appreciate the experience. However, compassion goes one step further than empathy. Empathy helps us understand while compassion motivates us to help. This is especially important in today. We live in a society where people often face many challenges and are not immediately visible. Some individuals struggle with financial difficulties. Another experience stress, anxiety, loneliness, and family problems. Someone may appear happy and outside while carrying a heavy burden inside because we not always see what others are going through. Compassion reminds us to treat everyone with respect, patience, and kindness. We never truly know the battles that another person may be facing us. As a student, compassion can be expressed in many simple but meaningful ways. We can help classmates who are having difficulties understand a lesson. We can share notes and someone who missed a class because of illness. We can encourage friends who feel overwhelmed by academic requirements. We can listen without judgment and someone needs to talk this. This action may seem small but they can have significant impact on another person's lives. Sometimes people do not need grand gesture. Sometimes they simply need to know that someone cares. I remember hearing stories about students who feel discouraged of because poor grades or personal problems. What helped them was not always a solution to their problems. Often what helped most was the presence of supportive friends who listen, encourage, and believe in them. This shows how powerful compassion can be. Compassion also teaches us humility. It reminds us that we all need help at a certain point in our lives. None of us can succeed entirely on our own. There will be times when we need support from families, friends, teachers, or members of our community. When we understand this, we become more willing to offer help to others as well. However, compassion should not be limited to human relationship. It should also extend to our relationship with the environment. The environment is our shared home. Everything we need to survive comes from nature. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and many of the resources we use every day depend on healthy environment. Unfortunately, our world faces many environment challenges: pollution, improved waste disposal, deforestation, climate change, and the destruction of natural habitats continue to affect communities around the globe. This problem is this problem is not only harm nature. This also affect people, especially voluntary pollution, who often suffer the most powerful environment damage. For this reason, caring the environment is also not act of compassion. When we protect nature, we are showing concern not only for ourselves, but also for other people and future generations. Environmental compassion means to recognize that our actions have consequences. Throwing trash irresponsibly may seem like a small act, but it seems insignificant when many people do not same thing. The impact becomes enormous. Fortunately, there are many ways we can express compassion for environment. We can reduce our use of plastic product. We can recycle materials wherever possible. We can conserve water and electricity. We can participate in tree planting activities and community cleanup program. We can support environmental awareness campaign and encourage others to adopt sustainability. A bottle instead of buying disposable plastic, we can properly struggle waste. We can avoid littering on campus. We can respect public space and help keep our surrounding clean. All through this action may appear small, they demonstrate responsibility and concern for the well-being of their every positive action contribute to create of healthier and more sustainability environment. Now that we have discussed compassion and, care for their and the environment, let us talk about communal discernment. Communal discernment is a process in which problems come together to reflect, listen, and discuss and make decisions for the common goods instead of focusing on personal interest. Communal discernment encourages individuals to consider what is the best for the entire community. In today's world, many decisions are made based on personal preference or individual benefits. However, communal discernment challenges us to think differently. It asks to listen carefully to others, respect different perspectives, and work together toward solutions and benefits everyone. Communal discernment requires humility because it reminds us that we do not always have all the answer. Sometimes the best decision emerge when people share their experience, ideas, and concern openly and respectfully. An important part of communal discernment is listening. Listening is the underestimate yet is one not listening to others. We acknowledge their value and dignity. We create opportunity for understanding in corporation in a university such as a PU. Commonwealth discernment plays a vital role in creating compassionate and inclusive community, student, faculty members, administration, and staff members. Each have a unique perspective and experience by engaging in a meaningful dialogue. They can identify challenges and work together to find solutions. For example, if students are experiencing excessive stress because of academic pressure, communal discernment can help identify ways may develop wellness program, counseling service, or academic support system that address student needs. Similarly, if there are environmental concern on campus, communal discernment can bring together student and university leaders to discuss participating solutions. Together, they can create policies and initiatives that promote sustainability and environmental responsibility. Communal discernment is also help build trust within a community when the people feel heard, and respect. They become more willing to participate and contribute. They feel that their voice matter and that they are valued members of community. Beyond the community settings, communal discernment is also important in society as a whole. Communities facing many complex challenges including poverty, inequality, environmental issues, and social conflicts. Addressing the challenges required to cooperation, dialogue, and collective decision making. This is where compassion and communal discernment work together. Compassion helps us recognize the needs and struggle of other. Communal discernment help us determine the most effective and responsible way to respond. One provides the motivation to care, while the other provides the process for taking action. Together, they create positive changes. As a member of PU and the citizen of the world, we all have responsibility to contribute to a more compassionate society. This responsibility does not require extraordinary achievement. It begins with simple choice made every day. We can choose kindness instead of indifference. We can choose understanding instead of judgment. We can choose cooperative instead of selfishness. A compassionate world is not built a few individuals acting alone. It, it is built when communities work together with shared communities to human dignity, justice, and care for common goods. In compassion is the willingness to understand and respond to the needs of others. It expresses true kindness, service, empathy, and care for environment discernment. In the process of listening, reflecting, and making decisions together for the benefits of community. When compassion and communal discernment are practiced together, they help create strong relationships, healthier communities, and better world. For everyone, let us strive to be compassionate individuals who care for others, protect the environment, and actively participate in building communities based on understanding, cooperation, and respect. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.